my channel. So today I filmed this makeup look. Hello, how are you? It's like my natural everyday go-to makeup look at the moment, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Because I'm a good person like that. What am I going on about? If you guys want to see how I do my face like this, keep on watching because that's what today's video is. Before we do that though, subscribe, like, comment. No, that was in the wrong order. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. Turn on my post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to follow my social medias, description box. Now that that's out the way, if you want to see how I got my face looking like this, just keep on watching. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What was that? That was kind of grim. So I'm gonna do my everyday makeup routine that I've been doing at the moment for you guys because you guys have asked for it. So I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face with my Glam Glow little Cosmic matte glow thing. It's like the best moisturizer.
Ooh, I just dug my nail into it. That's disgusting.
It's not my day today. Like, you know when you're just having one of them days where you wake up, try and get some stuff done, just not going your way, but you know, power through anyway because we're that kind of people. We're those kind of people. I don't know like the correct terminology.
Do you want to not drive so loudly?
You are the ones causing gas emissions and ruining stuff because I heard your engine and it is very loud. I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way, not Born This Way, Hangover X primer. This is literally like a routine for me. I mean, I don't really use primer that much. Like, I feel like primer is so unnecessary to be honest. This one just, you want it to last all day.
Like if you're actually doing something.
Yeah, 100% use a primer because like I can feel it like sticking my makeup on. I'm mixing together two foundations. I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Sand and my Milani Concealer and Perfect in the shade Sand Beige. What the frick? I kind of like it. I did it yesterday and it was quite nice. I normally just use the Too Faced one, but I did this yesterday to change it up a little bit and I quite liked it.
And we're gonna have to speed this up because my camera's flashing red.
I rate my beauty blender though because I just dampened it with cold water and like the cold water is like really refreshing on my face, so I won't complain about that.
Yes, this is full coverage for every day.
But I like the way it looks. Oh well. Don't forget the hairline.
But don't go too far into the hairline if you're blonde like me, because otherwise it does tend to turn your hair a little bit orange.
I've learnt the hard way. I think that's all blended in. Looks quite nice if I do say so myself. Right, I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Custard. I have like completely run out of this basically. I'm gonna apply that on my beauty blender as well. I need to buy a new one so badly. It's like the best concealer ever. My lighting has been really weird recently and I don't know why or what is going on, but it's just like been really weird.
Ooh, and I just got makeup on my sleeve.
Why am I such a mess? Like, I just want to know.
I'm gonna put this Makeup Revolution F14 to contour with, but like the tiniest amount of it because it's like really dark. I might actually try to blend it out with this brush. You know when you're just like, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just sort of winging it? Weird though, because I do this every day, so I should know exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of my Laura under my eyes. Then to my forehead, here, chin. Then I'm going with my Benefit Halo Flawless Pressed Powder in the shade like beige, I think this one is. What is it? Beige, yeah. See, I just know my makeup so. Oh my god, I just gouged a massive hole in there. What am I doing today? Like, I just don't know what I'm doing. What?
Calm down, Kirsty.
I just completely realized that I need to brush that off.
That has shimmer on it. Oh my god, my life is ruined.
Julie moved all my brushes. Oh my god, I'm gonna frick. Ugh. Right, let's try and blend this in with my beauty blender because I don't want shimmer all over my face. I'm so overdramatic, what the hell? So I'm going to apply my bronzer. This is my Marc Jacobs bronzer. I'm gonna apply that onto my face. This is a Morphe M530, and if you guys are wondering what shade this is in Tantric. I know a lot of you guys don't like the way I do my bronzer. That's alright, everyone does makeup in a different way, and that's perfectly fine.
I've just got weird shimmer under my eye now, which isn't fun and fresh.
I'm gonna put some lash glue on the back of my hand just to make it go a little bit tacky. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes.
Did I even remember to bring down my eyelash curler? I don't think I did. Oh no, here it is, it's in my pocket. I am clever.
So I'm gonna curl my lashes. These are just some Tweezerman eyelash curlers. So now I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Snap Mascara. I think I like pinched myself just then, but oh well. Oh no, that's not okay though. No.
What a shame.
So guys, my lashes are nowhere to be found. So what I've got is an Ardell Wispy, some individuals, and scissors. And I'm gonna cut off some of the eyelash, like little clusters. I know what I'm going on about in my head. This is what I had before, but I lost them. Whilst that is drying a little bit, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows.
Or one of my eyebrows, depending on how long it takes.
Just with my Brow Wiz. I never fill in my eyebrows on camera for you guys, but why not today? Probably not the best idea to do it today, considering everything is going wrong for me. Hopefully these will actually stick on.
Something is really, something's not right, really right.
We can do it, hip hop, hooray. Keep your voice down low. I was gonna film another video today as well, but I feel like I'm just such a mess. But maybe that's not a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna take some eyeliner and just like put it on my outer corner. I will clean up my eyelid as well. I'm gonna take this like into my inner corner as well. Ew! The person who just coughed really loudly is just sat outside my house. I love how there's this weirdo just sat outside my house and I'm still just sat here doing a makeup tutorial. And I have no clue who they are. Are you guys proud of me? I haven't got any eyeshadow on. Like, what? I know. How interesting. I'm gonna take this Liquid Glow by Anastasia. And I'm just gonna take it on my finger and I'm gonna put it on my like cheekbones. It's really pretty. And I really like the formula of it as well. I feel like this kind of makeup is like when you want people to think you're like naturally pretty, but like you're still kind of catfishing them, you know what I mean? But to be fair, I'm still wearing like the thickest full coverage foundation, so
Probably not that natural, you know what I mean?
to be fair, I'm proud of myself. I don't wear as full coverage foundation as I used to. Like I used to wear the Makeup Forever stick on an everyday basis. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. This highlighter is so bomb. I know I wear too much highlighter. I like the way it looks. Hello? Hi. How are ya? I'm going in with my Wet Dream highlighter by Jeffree Star Cosmetics because this is so bang. I'm taking that in my inner corner. I feel like all this is just like packing on as much highlighter as you can onto your face.
That's what I do.
I'm gonna take Body Oddy Oddy from the Sub-Zero Glow Kit. Just put it. Then I'm gonna highlight down my nose as well with Amrezy. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my face with some of this Hangover X spray by Too Faced, just drowning my face in it. Gonna let that dry for a bit. I'm gonna quickly line my lips with this. This is the Milani Spy. You know what, if my lip line is bad, I can't help it. There's literally nothing in here. And I'm just gonna take some Carmex. Carmex actually is like the worst lip balm. It dries your lips out so badly. I like the Burt's Bees one. I just run out. I need to go get some more. I'm gonna fix my hair and do my lower lash mascara off camera quickly. Do I look cute though? Don't know about this outfit. So I've done my hair and that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you are new here, I hope you guys find it sort of useful. I don't know, it's just what I do on an everyday basis. It was such a mess. I know this video was a mess, but it's okay because we will live and learn. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you are new here, turn on my post notification bell as well. And if you want to follow me on any of my other social medias, in the description box, of course. But yeah, other than that, that's it for today's video. And I love you guys so, so much. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.